What's going on YouTube? This is Jason Tang TV, bring you guys another video. As promised, I would show you guys the Adidas and Dragon Ball Z collab on the Frieza shoes. We did pick these up a couple of videos ago, so I told you guys I did want to do a more in-depth video on these things because these things are crazy. Like all the little details that they put together on this shoe, on the box, on the paper is just crazy, and I wanted to show you guys that really quick. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up. I do appreciate it, and comment down below what you guys think about these. Do you guys actually like this Dragon Ball Z and Adidas whole little collaboration thing? I personally think that they could have picked a lot. I honestly think that they should have picked different shoes to use for this collab. I mean, we have kind of random ass shoes that I feel like Adidas have been kind of, I don't know, just throwing around colors together and then calling it a Dragon Ball Z collab. That's just my opinion. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I'm going to be 100% honest. I don't know if I would wear any of the shoes except these ones here. So let's jump right into this. First off on the box, you guys can see we do have the Dragon Ball Z and Adidas logo right there. Moving on to the side, this is where it gets pretty crazy. You do have the graphic right here, and if you have the whole set, it's exactly like the, what is it called, the mangas or whatever. It's been a while since I've like read anime and shit. Anime comics or whatever, manga, whatever how you pronounce it. They basically do the same thing. So if you had like the whole collection of all the Dragon Ball Z books, it's again like a big huge picture. So it's pretty cool. The more you get, the bigger the picture gets. Honestly, would just purchase the fucking boxes or some shit just to have like that picture. I think it's art. On the side right here, you do have the picture for Frieza. So this is how you're gonna know if this is the Frieza pair, the Goku pair, whatever. There is gonna be a picture on the side right there, which is pretty dope. Dragon Ball Z, Adidas, and then the shoe here. So they used this young one silhouette on this shoe right here. Let's crack these babies open. And let's take the lid off because this is where it gets pretty crazy. Alright, so you guys can see we do have this really colorful paper. I'm going to pull the shoes out. I'm going to show you guys the paper itself. It's like a big, huge poster. Alright, so look at this. I think that's way dope. Look how freaking short Frieza is compared to this guy. And he freaking... You guys got to watch the show and shit and understand. If you guys don't, I know a lot of you guys are big Dragon Ball Z fans out there, but yeah, really cool paper. Honestly, really cool hit. Printed all over that, and then it just repeats itself. I honestly wonder if the other shoes have a different graphic. That would actually be really dope if they did. Just a different graphic on every single shoe. Inside of the box, you guys already know we got some Dragon Balls all over. We got 1 through 7 for the Dragon Balls right here. Boom. And now onto the shoes. Right here are the young one, Frieza collaboration. These are, as you guys can see, the dad shoe looking type things. Are these dad shoes like kind of dying down? Do you guys kind of feel that way? Honestly, like Adidas is just dying. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys think the dad shoes are dying out. I don't know. You guys tell me. Anyways, here's a quick 360 look of the shoe. So this one is not as crazy as all the other ones. That's probably why I would wear this. I mean, purple, light purple, pink, and everything. It's not too crazy to kind of wear. Not as bad as orange and blue, an all purple, like bright shoe for the Gohans. We have the Shenrons, which is like, you know, the dragon colors. I don't know. These were a lot more simple. So let me know what you guys think about these. I'm actually surprised how light these things are. They are, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how Adidas is doing it, but these things are like feathers. Let's go ahead and throw these things on feet. I do want to show you guys how they look. So that wraps it up for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on these babies. Let me know down in the comments below whether you guys would rock these or not, or what shoe is your favorite out of the whole pack. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video with all your friends, hit that notification bell. I'm out, you guys. Peace.
Bye.